Here's a full 1600-word styled article for your YouTube content about the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto without headings, written in an engaging flow so it works naturally for narration or a video script. The Lamborghini Aventador has officially been replaced, and what comes next is nothing short of breathtaking. Meet the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto, a machine that is not just another supercar but a technological revolution for Lamborghini and the entire supercar world. Lamborghini has always been about drama, power, speed, and pure Italian passion, but this time, the legendary V12 is reborn with a hybrid soul, creating a car that is not only powerful but also future-ready. This car is more than just a replacement for the Aventador. It is Lamborghini's bold statement that the world of hypercars is evolving, and Lamborghini will lead it with unmatched ferocity. For over a decade, the Aventador defined what a Lamborghini should be. Its naturally aspirated V12 was the heartbeat of supercar dreams, and its aggressive styling made it a poster car for enthusiasts worldwide. But as the automotive industry shifts toward electrification and cleaner performance, even Lamborghini had to reinvent its flagship. Enter the Revuelto, a car that blends tradition with innovation in a way no Lamborghini has ever done before. Lamborghini has not simply added batteries to the V12, instead, they've re-engineered everything to create a masterpiece with over 1,000 horsepower, combining electric precision with old-school Lamborghini madness. Under the sculpted carbon fiber body lies a newly developed 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that alone produces over 800 horsepower, a work of art in itself. But alongside it are 3 electric motors, one integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox and 2 more powering the front wheels independently. Together, this hybrid powertrain delivers an astonishing 1,015 horsepower, making the Revuelto not only the most powerful Lamborghini ever but also one of the most powerful road cars in existence. The result is brutal performance figures that almost seem unreal. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in under 2.5 seconds, and the car can surge all the way to a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. These are numbers that firmly place the Revuelto in hypercar territory, competing with the very best in the world from Ferrari, McLaren, and Bugatti. What makes the Revuelto special, however, is not just the numbers but the way Lamborghini has engineered the car to feel alive. The V12 engine still sings with a spine-tingling roar, one that electrification has not dulled but enhanced. The electric motors eliminate lag, providing instant torque to the wheels and sharpening throttle response in a way that makes the driving experience feel futuristic yet familiar. Lamborghini calls this a high-performance electrified vehicle, or HPEV, and it is their unique approach to the hybrid era. Unlike other hybrids that lean heavily on efficiency, the Revuelto's hybrid system is built purely for performance. The driving dynamics are equally extraordinary. With electric motors on the front wheels, the Revuelto can achieve torque vectoring, sending power independently to each wheel for sharper cornering and greater agility. The car feels more precise and planted than any Lamborghini before it, making it not only a monster on the straights but also a corner-carving weapon. The new carbon fiber monocoque chassis, inspired by aerospace engineering, is stronger and lighter than ever, ensuring that the Revuelto handles its enormous power with absolute confidence. Visually, the Revuelto is a showstopper. Lamborghini has never been shy when it comes to design, and this car takes everything to the extreme. The front is aggressive with Y-shaped LED headlights that continue Lamborghini's modern design language. The sides are sculpted with dramatic aerodynamic channels, and the rear is dominated by huge exhaust pipes and an active rear wing that adjusts for maximum downforce or reduced drag depending on the driving mode. Every surface of the car has been designed with aerodynamics in mind, creating not only beauty but also function. The Revuelto looks like it is moving at 200 miles per hour even when standing still, a true testament to Lamborghini's design philosophy of combining art and aggression. Step inside, and the drama continues. The interior of the Revuelto is both futuristic and driver-focused. Lamborghini calls it the spaceship interior, and that description is accurate. The cockpit wraps around the driver with 3 digital screens, a central 8.4-inch touchscreen for infotainment, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver, and a 9-inch passenger display that allows your co-pilot to see performance data and feel involved in the action. The cabin is filled with carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather, but despite the luxury, the car remains focused on performance. Every control is oriented toward driving excitement, from the fighter jet-style start button hidden under a red cover to the new rotary dials that allow instant switching between 13 different driving modes. Yes, you read that right, 13 driving modes, from full EV silent driving for city use to the most aggressive Casa mode for track domination. One of the most surprising things about the Revuelto is its ability to drive in full electric mode for short distances. With a 3.8 kWh battery pack mounted in the central tunnel, the car can travel around 6 miles purely on electric power. That might not sound like much, but it means the Revuelto can quietly slip through city streets or residential areas without waking the entire neighborhood. It also means Lamborghini owners can experience something they've never felt before, a Lamborghini that can move silently. Yet, with a push of a button, the V12 roars back to life, reminding everyone why Lamborghini is still the king of drama. The price of all this engineering brilliance is steep, of course. The Revuelto is expected to start at around $600,000, making it one of the most expensive Lamborghinis ever. But for those fortunate enough to afford it, the Revuelto offers something no other car does, the perfect blend of Lamborghini heritage and future technology. It is not just a supercar but a hypercar built for a new era. Demand is already sky high, with Lamborghini's production slots sold out for years to come. This car is destined to be an icon, not just because of its performance but because it represents a turning point in Lamborghini history. The Revuelto's name itself carries meaning. Lamborghini often names its cars after famous fighting bulls, but Revuelto means scrambled, or mixed up, in Spanish, reflecting the car's hybrid nature and the blend of electric and combustion power. It is a bold name for a bold car, signaling that Lamborghini is not afraid to shake up the world. Beyond the performance and design, the Revuelto also incorporates some of the most advanced car technology Lamborghini has ever created. Its driver assistance systems are far beyond what we have seen in previous Lamborghinis, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and other features that make it more usable in daily life. This is not just a weekend toy for the racetrack but a car that can, surprisingly, be used more regularly, even if most owners will prefer to keep it as a treasured jewel in their collection. When you compare the Revuelto to its rivals, it becomes clear why it stands out. Ferrari has the SF90 Stradale, McLaren has the Artura, and even Bugatti has hybrid concepts in development, but Lamborghini has managed to create something uniquely dramatic and unapologetically Lamborghini. The Revuelto is not trying to hide its hybrid nature, instead, it celebrates it, turning electrification into an advantage for performance rather than a compromise. It shows that even in a world moving toward electric cars, passion and excitement can still exist at the highest level. Ultimately, the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto is more than just a replacement for the Aventador. It is a glimpse into the future of supercars. It proves that hybrid technology does not have to mean boring efficiency but can enhance the raw thrill of driving. It is a car that honors Lamborghini's past while embracing the future, ensuring that the brand's iconic V12 lives on in the hybrid era. For enthusiasts, this is a dream come true. The sound, the speed, the drama of a V12 combined with the instant response of electric motors. For Lamborghini, the Revuelto is not just another model, it is a milestone, a car that will define the brand for years to come. It will be remembered as the car that carried Lamborghini into a new age while staying true to its DNA. With its breathtaking design, mind-blowing performance, and advanced hybrid technology, the Revuelto is more than just one of the coolest cars in the world. It is a legend in the making. So, as the Aventador bows out, the Revuelto takes center stage, ready to redefine what it means to drive a Lamborghini. It is brutal, beautiful, futuristic, and absolutely unforgettable. This is not just the next chapter in Lamborghini's story, it is the beginning of an entirely new book, one that will be written with the roar of a V12 and the whisper of electric motors working in perfect harmony. The 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto is not just a car, it is the future of passion on four wheels. Would you like me to also make a shorter, punchy version of this, around 300 to 400 words, for your YouTube description box, so it pairs well with this long article for narration?